back again with another video. Welcome to the video, welcome to the channel. We're back with the beekeepers, and the beekeepers are showing and feeding the bees. This is the beekeeper right here in the background. Alright. So we're going through the bush.
Moment we close up this box and then get used to the box. As I start pull it, like if example me pull this right now, we have to run upon them. But you see like them like now, this right here so are their home. Now this I go to their new home, so they're not used to their home as yet, so we can disturb them. But you see the moment them settling like in the next 2-3 hours, and we close the box, if you come back and do something like this, they might start defending their home. But so for now we can go and play with them.
Yes,
like even take them out.
No, I don't want to touch them.
Anything you want,
they look tame.
So if you want to take your wrist on your head like this, you can do that.
Oh my god.
Anything. And you can kiss them like this.
No, don't kiss them. So they're so tame because why? Why they so
because
tame?
they have honey in them right now. And when they having honey like that, they pitch up like if you go start build at a new location. But thing is this location now is new. As I explain and tell you, by the next 2 hours, if you go back in this box here, we can't do this.
Right.
Yeah.
So they're taking up the trees of fruit trees.
They swarm up on it.
Oh my god.
That's just understand them. Me and you can't pull the next box down, so right now you know and stand up there, it's a problem. They won't sting, but alright, so very, very new. Just put the box here. See?